Wake up in the morning, gonna find a Guido, a nice juiced hot tanned guy who might look good in a Speedo. Before I leave, tease my hair, put the poof in the back, and most importantly, I gotta bronze my face with shellac. I'm talking grab a pickle for the road, get into the Jersey mode, give the poof its own area code. Little Italian flags on my toes. Give me signature Guido pose. Maybe today I won't get socked in the nose. Nose. Let's go at Jersey Shore. Out my hair stuck in the door. Be as tan as I can, so that I can steal your man when I walk down the block.